Good morning, children. Today we are going to start Unit 3, Section 3, Revision for S7. This question answer and reference to context we are going to learn today. I can say that the lesson is very much inspiring. Why I am saying that? If you remember, once I have told this story also in assembly. The story is about two boys. The narrator told them a story and that inspired one boy very much that he became a successful person in future, and the second one who started his journey but couldn't complete. I mean to say that he couldn't get the success in his life. What was the difference between that? Let me tell you a summary of this lesson. There were two boys working in a garage. They were so much poor. They do not have proper food to eat, good clothes to wear, a proper residence to live in. He was not lucky like you all. They were not lucky like you. So one day when one professor came for her car repairing at their garage, actually they were working there, and she found that both were of middle age. They must go to school. Instead of that, they were working in a garage. The lady got sympathy for these kids. So she decided to give them something, some clothes or some eatables or something. Later on, she gave them some books to read. But children said that they do not have time to read the books, and that is why lady decided to tell them some stories at weekend or some days. Once a while, she told a story, Journey Through the Desert. Journey Through the Desert. The story is so much inspiring. It is also connect with our real life. See children, whenever we start any new work or study or any new thing in our life, it may possible that we may face lots of troubles, difficulties, right? But if you bear that difficulties, that trouble or trauma, we can say that, so that you can find your destination soon, right? The fruit of your hard work will be very much sweet, that you can cherish it throughout the life. The story is about all hardworking and get the goal achieved. How Ram and Gopal did that, many things we will see in this question answer. So let's begin the revision. First question is, where did the author meet Ram and Gopal? What attracted her towards the boys? Answer is, the author met Ram and Gopal at the service station next to the petrol pump from where she bought petrol for her car. I repeat, the author met Ram and Gopal at the service station next to the petrol pump from where she bought petrol for her car. The boys worked very hard. They spoke several languages and were very cheerful. Though they were happy, they looked happy with their lives. The boys worked very hard. They spoke several languages and were very cheerful. So the author was attracted to them. I repeat, so the author was attracted to them. Second question, describe Ram and Gopal in your own words. What have you seen about Ram and Gopal in the lesson that you have to describe here? Let's see the answer. Ram's life had changed due to the story which the narrator, the lady, had told the two brothers. Ram was really inspired by the story and he worked hard to achieve success. As far as Gopal is concerned, he tried things beyond his capabilities, thus failed. I repeat, as far as Gopal is concerned, he tried things beyond his capabilities, thus he failed. I repeat the answer once again. Ram's life had changed due to the story which the narrator had told the two brothers. Both were sitting together, Ram and Gopal. But through this story, Ram inspired a lot and changed his life completely. First he was working in a garage, but now he was the owner of the Good Luck Garage, if you remember the name. And second, Gopal was there. He also tried his level best, but he wanted everything to get early, very quickly. And see children, if you want to achieve everything very quickly, it may possible that you lose whatever you have. Got it? So, please trust on time and your hard work. Certainly you will achieve your goal. As far as Gopal is concerned, he tried things beyond his capabilities, thus he failed. You can insert here he if you wish. Next one. Why did the author tell Ram and Gopal stories? Right? What was the reason behind it? The author told stories to Ram and Gopal because they found it difficult to read them on their own. Right? As I told you earlier in summary, when narrator offered some books to Ram and Gopal, they denied by saying that they do not have time to read the books. Right? So that is why author decided to tell them some stories whenever they get time. The author told stories to Ram and Gopal because they found it difficult to read them on their own. Next one. Why did the first boy in the story not complete the journey? Why did the first boy in the story not complete the journey? The first boy in the story did not complete the journey because he lost his patience and was not confident. Two things are required very much whenever you want to achieve something. First is there, believe in yourself, trust on yourself, do hard work and have patience. Right? We cannot get everything very quickly. Easily we can say that without doing any hard work you cannot get anything. You must have the capability of doing hard work, have trust on yourself, on your God also, and next thing is that have patience. Everything will be done when time will come. Right? So the first boy couldn't complete his journey, or didn't also you can say, or couldn't also you can write. The first boy in the story did not complete the journey because he lost his patience and was not confident. He was not having trust on himself. That's why he couldn't complete his journey. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Whose life changed due to a story? How did the story change his life? Do you think a story bring a change in someone's life? Do you think that, children? It may possible that some book, some story, one person, anybody can change your life. The thing is there, you get the right direction or right a pinch of direction that yes, the person, the story, the incidents is correct and it may change your life completely. Right? From naughty boy you can become a clever one. It may possible that. Depends. Ram's life had changed due to a story which the narrator had told the two brothers. Here two brothers are there, but whose life changed? Ram's life changed. Ram's life had changed due to a story which the narrator had told the two brothers. Ram was really inspired by the story and he worked hard. As I told you, if you worked hard, any goal is not too big to achieve. He worked hard to achieve success. Now next, tell me, which story was that? Who said this and to whom? The author said this. The author, or you can say narrator, said this. Why could the speaker not remember the name of the story? Because it was a long time back and she was now old. Because it was a long time back and she was now old. When did the speaker say these words? When the man in Good Luck Garage told her that her story had made a big difference in their lives. Next, Ram narrates the story to the author, which has changed his life. So this was all about the story about just one story which could change the life of two people. What do you learn from the two stories narrated in the lesson? Which one do you find better and why? I like the first story because it teaches us to be hardworking. What is there, beta? The journey through the desert, the story I like a lot. Personally, I like a lot because I believe that if you believe in hard work, if you do hard work, and then after you dream for your destination, then I think one day certainly you will achieve that. Okay? I wish the best luck to you also. You may also make your dream come true. Next one is reference to context. Are you Ram or Gopal? Who said this and to whom? The answer is, the author said this to the man in Good Luck, here D will come, Good Luck Garage. The author said this to man in Good Luck Garage. Why was the speaker confused? The speaker was confused because Ram and Gopal had been identical twins. Identical twins means two brothers, right? Both were looking alike. Both are looking same. That is known as identical twins. Face, body structure is same. She had met them when they were 14 years old. And now, after a decade, after 10 years, a grown-up man stood before her. That's why the narrator couldn't identify them. When did the speaker say so? The speaker said so because, here I think why will come. Why did the speaker say so? The speaker says so because after sitting down in his office, when she saw a dimple on his cheek, she knew he was one of the boys who used to work in a garage a decade ago. The speaker said so because after sitting down in his office, when she saw a dimple you know? Yes, dimple on his cheek, she knew he was one of the boys who used to work in the garage a decade ago. What happens next? The man tells her that he is Ram and he thanks her for all the help she had given to the boys in those days. The man tells her that he is Ram and he thanks her for all the helps she had given to the boys in those days. He then tells her how he worked hard and achieved success. He then tells her how he worked hard and achieved success due to stories told by her to them when they were boys. Here you have to remove the to them will come, right? So this was all about the revision of Journey Through Desert. I hope that you have also been inspired by the story. I wish that one day you also become a successful man, and when I will become old and you will become young man or young girl, I feel proud that you are my students. Okay? All the very best. Thank you.